about today's myth. It is difficult to get new Google reviews. According to a Google Help Desk article, the review volume of your locations plays a huge impact on where your location will be ranked in a Google search. So with reviews having so much impact, I'm going to pass it over to my correspondent, Liz Lengyel, who's going to dive into if it's difficult or not to get new Google reviews.
Oh, thanks, Anna. So just like Anna said, today we're focusing on debunking the myth that it is difficult to get new Google reviews. The buying decisions of 90% of consumers are influenced by reviews, with the majority, 63%, using Google reviews before they even visit a business. With the majority of people already choosing to go to Google, you already have a much greater chance of getting people to share feedback about your business. But wait, there's more. With a few clicks in your GMB account, you can create a simple Google review link that can draw in more customers and higher revenues, which makes it easier for people to find and remember your brand. But how do you use that link effectively to get more reviews for customers in the first place? Send an email. Research shows that 70% of reviews come from emails sent after their purchase. Crafting a visually appealing message with your Google review link can easily convince customers to provide the substantial feedback you need to attract more customers and improve the overall service. Use SMS messaging. If customers opt into text messaging, your short Google review link reduces the overall length of your message, which is essential to quickly capturing the attention of any customer. So the bottom line is, if you're using a Google review link in your marketing efforts, you're more likely to see more people leave your business reviews. And this case is closed. Getting new reviews for your Google My Business page does not have to be difficult.
Thanks, Liz, for cracking the code on today's myth. With Google's review link, it is not difficult at all to get new Google reviews. All you need to do is put a strategy in place. So following along with this video, we do have a blog post on how to get your Google review link and then ways to use it for asking for reviews. Thank you all so much for watching today's Mythbusting episode. Be on the lookout for more episodes coming your way. And again, if you do have any questions on your Google My Business profile, send those our way as we are a Google My Business featured partner. Thank you.